Here's an update of all my things. I basically just packed my plants and a few things that I tend to keep in storage. This is a big chunk of things, which I don't know. When you look at it this way, when all of them are together, you realize that you own so many things. Okay, update on my avocado plant. Check this out. It's only been like, what, 2 to 3 days? Not even 3 days, like 2 days. Look at that. Nemo! Okay. We're making dumplings at Nicole's house.
Where's Matt?
He's right there. So what's our ingredients?
Chives. There is corn, pork,
Lean pork
dumpling wrapping.
from Hans
Oh, we also need garlic.
and onion.
Chicken powder.
So MSG. So that's fine.
Chinese style MSG. Well, we need to add a little bit of, you know, MSG, Chinese MSG, because why not? And we're gonna add some soy sauce, light soy sauce in here. We're gonna be generous. A little bit. Down here as well.
Is that cheese? Oh, that's not cheese. What is that?
That's
It looks like Parmesan.
that's the chicken powder. We can add some fresh pepper in there.
It has to be fresh.
Fresh.
Freshly ground.
Down.
Is it in the middle or in the... Oh, it's in
I think you put too much.
I think that's too much already. I don't know if you can
Really?
close, man.
Really? Whoa, it is kind of big.
Right?
Okay, I tried. Look. Is it okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I have this weird shape.
Does it actually look?
Look at this one.
Hey, that's so cute.
I don't know what shape this
Look
is.
at my shape. Wait. Look at my dumpling.
You're the dumpling.
What?
Said,
What did I say?
said, is this gyoza? Like dumpling is gyoza. So many forms of dumplings.
That's true. There's boiling one that we just had. There's air fryer one.
Round 2. Can't breathe. Show me how you eat it.
Okay. Pick it up. Looks pretty decent. Looks like a gyoza. But like Matt said, gyoza is something, right? You dip it in sauce. Let's see. I think it's really hot. I can see it steaming.
Don't worry, we'll take retakes.
Meat seasoned really well. Crispy on the outside. Success.
It's a very simple dumpling recipe.
I like how we added corn.
Yeah, it makes it sweet, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I don't normally eat it with corn actually.
I do. If we're like a sample playing, I'll be bursting you and then Jill. because you'll be versing someone else on that side, and then me. So you're never against Jill. One round we had to switch it around. So it's not the same players. It's pretty cool.
Oh, I think it's cool.
How do you know
I'm
that?
gonna have to watch, right? Next time. 3!
To win the pot money.
You already have enough money.
So much.
Everyone's so angry at me. I don't know why. Why are they so angry?
You already have so much
You're
money.
gonna get even more angry if I get that. You know that, right?
Yeah, so it's 8.
What's yours? 25. Your
Me too.
boy?
Eight.
Your voice is like, only 25.
It is only 25 to you.
Yo, if she gets this, it changes everything.
Okay, come on.
Not yet, not yet. Go, 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 go. Can you not?
Wait, where are you? Uni?
Genie's 5.
5. It's giving me so much anxiety.
I should just do one roll at a time. First one.
Genie's a 2.
Me too, give me 2, give me 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And 2. I got it! I got it!
Okay, good. Just go. Next. Skip it there and
I
go.
got the heart! So not fair. You don't need the money. It's 4:30 and Matt just beat me in Monopoly. It was Guys, can you see me a snowman? It's been 1 week. Hey guys, it's been like a week. I have about a week and a half or so to be fully out of this place and packed up to go to the Philippines. My mind is just not in jambles, but it's so hard to prepare for Philippines when you are constantly packing and thinking of what to throw away. It's making me realize how I have so many things in my space that makes me question if I even use it every day and why I even buy it. Anyways, this is just me in my head. So I've been putting a few of my things in here. Just the things that I want to bring to the Philippines. So like my techie stuff, a little bit of my like skincare, and also like my summer stuff, like my bags, my hats. But look, so it tells, it has this little thing on this one. And then it tells you like the ground boarding pass.
That's so big, no?
Yeah. We use like this before. Yeah, I think I'll do that to you guys.
Okay, what's the other one here?
She's gonna pick up. Hi! Hello! COVID family! I'm here with mom. Everyone here, like all my friends and their family got COVID too.
Toma ginger with honey. So honey and then lots of ginger, warm water.
Hello!
Hi.
Hey guys, I just got an update from my aunt in the Philippines. She sent me a video and then she says that Canada is now on the red list country. And Canada used to be a yellow list. Now it's a red list country because our COVID cases are rising. This is updated for January 16 to January 31st. This is their new update, but I have to quarantine for 10 days now.